So, I mean, I'm just gonna do a little bit. So, let me take off the glasses so I can see. All right. Okay.
Girl, not the sound effects.
I ain't got much to give right here, but
You is a mess.
Let's get into it.
What? You is a mess.
Put this in one. Are you getting my sound effects or what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's not giving background.
You see that? You know, I don't like the most, but I like it a little bit. You know, just a little slight. You need to see the. You need to see that too, or what?
Let me see.
Like it's not going nowhere, or what?
Yeah. Wait. Okay, go.
Just a little bit, you know.
And then look, when you get home, send us
Wait,
a
hold on.
send
Hold
us a
Okay, the
from rags to riches. You hear me?